Hello guys, Mondays are exciting, especially at Starbase. In this video, we will see what is on the table for Booster 7 today, SpaceX's latest launch and the latest update on NASA's Artemis-1 mission. Following last week's spin prime test of multiple engines on Booster 7, next up we will probably see a static fire test on Booster 7 which could involve multiple engines if not all the 13 inner engines. This test could also set a new record for SpaceX to be their biggest static fire test ever done with Raptor engines. As crews continue to prepare the orbital launch mount for the test, a fresh overpressure notice has been issued to the residents of Boca Chica Village. A possible road closure schedule is also posted for today. Do you guys think we will see a clean static fire test or a little bit toasty one? Last week, on November 12th, SpaceX launched its 52nd mission of the year. A Falcon 9 launched the Intelsat G31-G32 mission to a geosynchronous transfer orbit from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida at 11:06 a.m. Eastern Time. The first stage booster supporting this mission, B-1051, was on its 14th flight and didn't make it back on the drone ship. This booster was a veteran, record-breaker booster which demonstrated the reusability and reliability of the Falcon 9 rocket's family. The particular mission required additional performance from the booster which required more fuel. Normally this extra fuel would be used for landing the booster. SpaceX intentionally didn't attempt to recover the booster for this reason, and if you look closely at the time of liftoff, the booster had no landing legs or grid fins installed on it. The ocean bed will now be the resting place for this remarkable booster. Despite weathering out a hurricane last week, NASA says the SLS rocket is pressing for flight on Wednesday, November 16. Engineers are already down there at the launch pad preparing the rocket for its maiden flight. The Artemis-1 management team held a meeting yesterday and gave a go to proceed with the launch attempt. Artemis-1 launch will officially kickstart Artemis mission, humans return to the Moon program, and further on to Mars. It will be an impressive turn of events if NASA actually launches the Artemis-1 mission on Wednesday, less than a week after a hurricane just ripped a few parts of the rocket. That is it for now guys. If you enjoy these short video updates, please hit the like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate it.